let's jump into it with number one on the list, which is going to be Respondent. And this is a platform where you can participate in paid research studies, interviews, and surveys from home, providing valuable insights to companies and researchers.
And basically get paid for that. So I checked this website and it looks legit. Go to this section, click Become a Participant and get started. You can earn $25 for 10 minutes of work and $200 for 30 minutes of work. And it seems easy. You want to do it? Go do it. But when I checked on Trustpilot, the rating and reviews are super bad. Look at all these negative reviews. Now you hate this website and you're happy with me that I have done my research on your behalf. Listen, dude, all these reviewers are a bunch of losers. They took life for granted. They thought they're gonna spend a couple of minutes leaving some reactions to some top-rated companies for their products and service and they will get paid. But it didn't happen because clients of this website are not idiots. More importantly, the only time people come and leave a feedback is when it is negative. So here is my advice to you. If you really have time to spend your time on another company's website and leave some reactions to make a few bucks, go try it. May work, may not work. But I would never do that. And I would never advise this to my students who are earning high ticket affiliate commissions from our 99% done for you system. So if you are serious about building a business online, use AI and learn valuable skills fast. Then use your knowledge and skills to make simple and short videos just like us. When you upload your videos on social media, they will send you free customers to your high ticket automated sales funnel. These high-ticket automated sales funnel will do the selling for you, and when there is a sale, you will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our beginner students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99, and I'll shoot you details.